Do you hear a constant ringing, buzzing, or hissing sound? Even when it's completely quiet, you're not alone. That's tinnitus, and for many, hearing aids might just be an unexpected relief. Tinnitus is that annoying sound in your ears that just doesn't go away. It can be a soft background hum or a loud, high pitched ring, and it affects millions of people, especially those over 40. But tinnitus isn't always a disease, it's a symptom that's frequently linked to hearing loss. Can hearing aids actually help? Now let's get to the big question. Can hearing aid reduce tinnitus? Yes, for many people, they absolutely can. Here's how. First, hearing aids amplify external sound, which helps drain out that internal ringing or buzzing. Second, by improving your hearing, your brain doesn't have to work so hard to fill in the gaps, which often reduces the perception of tinnitus. And third, many modern hearing aids come with built-in tinnitus therapy programs. These play soothing background sounds to calm your ears and your mind. It's not an instant cure, but for a lot of people, hearing aids provide real daily relief. Why you shouldn't ignore tinnitus? If you're noticing that buzzing more often or it's keeping up you at night, don't just brush it off. Tinnitus can get worse with time, especially if there is untreated hearing loss. The earlier you get it checked, the better your chances of managing it well. And guess what? Most people wait 7 to 10 years before doing anything about their hearing. Don't let that be you. What is Hears app and how can it help? This is where Hears app comes in. It is a super easy to use app where you can test your hearing at home, book a professional consultation, and even explore hearing aid options all in one place. Whether you're just curious or seriously looking for tinnitus relief, Hears app can guide you every step of the way. No guesswork, no pressure, just expert help at your fingertips. So, if you have been hearing that constant ringing, don't ignore it. Download the Hears app today. Take a quick hearing check and start your journey towards relief. Like this video, hit subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this, literally.